Hello DeFi users, as promised, this is the video talking about all the features from the claim to the staking to the vesting. All these questions are going to be kind of answered and made simpler. What are the issues? Are there any issues? All these questions are going to be answered in this video, probably even how to do it. So just stay tuned to the end so you get every single information. Before that, however, make sure to watch this video where we made a video on how to add the token contracts to your MetaMask wallet, especially for those who are claiming or are trying to send it to their wallet. Very useful. Make sure to watch it out. Now then, what are we going to do next? We are going to be looking into the features. As I already said, we already talked about the token contract address, and you can see by the side where you can buy the DeFi token: Bybit, KuCoin, HCS, Gate.io, MEXC, BitGet, and Bitmask. And there is not going to be any listing on any DEX, so make sure to not buy from there. Safety tip done. Then staking. Once you click on staking, this is if you probably sent any tokens or you claimed your token that you invested and then you want to stake it. If it's on the BNB chain, you switch. If it's on the Ethereum, you switch. Whichever one you stake for probably 6 months, 3 months. You can see 1 year, 2 years, 4 years. So whichever one that you're okay with, put that in. And there's referral code. So if you want to use my referral code, is going to be in the description box. That's if you want to stake any of the tokens. Although I use referral, there is going to be a boost in your APR when using the referral. Then you click amount to stake and then you choose how many you want to stake. Before clicking on the stake, the gas fee will show over here. Depending on which chain, the gas fee can be either higher or lower. Then referral is where you can get your own referral code. People who are staking, you can send it to others who want to stake, and you also get bonus on it, 10% of what they get once their token is unlocked. Then the vesting dashboard, this is for the people who bought the tokens, Ethereum or BNB chain. You can switch. If you bought on BNB chain, you see it here. If you bought on Ethereum, you see it here. As you can see, I bought on Ethereum, so you can see what is locked, what is vested for 4 months, and it keeps unlocking. The vested tokens are 0.7, the locked tokens are 76.05. And now if you want to super claim, they say it is a very good feature that will almost double your token. And also make sure to ask any questions that you have. So I'm just going to be trying it live now. And finally, running on a bigger screen, it works. So if it doesn't work on your phone, maybe try a bigger device and you're able to see the start now. That has been the problem since. So you click on agree with the terms above. Then once you click there, click on start now. I hope you can see it. Now the boosted APR is going to be 21.67, and this staking duration is 3 months, 28 days, 21 hours, 32 minutes. So if start now works, that means the issue is done. I didn't do the transaction because the gas fees were very high. Of course, for Ethereum, close to $11-12 just for vesting tokens, and they said that it's supposed to be cheaper than claim and stake. So let me check how that happens. Okay, so it's just like normally staking, and the fees for fast is $26.83. Is D.Fi benefiting from this? Because that's a lot. So if you were to do slow, that is $25. So this is even more expensive, especially on the Ethereum. So if you use BNB chain, then be happy because the fees are going to be a lot lower. So as I said, this is just testing. So if you go to claim, if you want to claim and stake, it's just the way I showed you before, but this is for the ones that you get for free. That is the one that was unlocked to you immediately after the listing if you invested. And then history is where you can see the price that you bought the tokens, date, and how many you bought. So that's basically everything about the feature of the DeFi token. Bridge, we can't see it. We can see staking, but what of the claim of airdrop? Any news on that? Well, there is no news, but there might be, there might not be. They might have taken the snapshots and they also might have not. So just keep mining and we'll wait for more news on this. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please make sure to do so now and be a part of our community. The goal is 1,000 subscribers, and please help us to reach. If you have any question, then make sure to ask it in the comments section, and we'll also make sure to reply. You can also ask it in the Telegram channel under. Leave us a comment and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Till then,